name is Saqib and I'm a resident of Fulwari Sharif, Patna. So you see on my background, we have installed this something called rooftop farming. So this is almost more than a year now, and with the help of some professionals from Jaipur, Living Greens, we have installed this one complete unit of rooftop farming, where you see these kinds of beds, vegetable beds, where we have planted uh, some cauliflowers, broccolis. So we have total 3 units of vegetable beds and some fruit trees there on the background. And we got to know about this from an advertisement by the Bihar government, that they have taken this as a pilot project, and they are giving some kind of subsidies, like whenever you have a plan of doing this on the your open roof. So at least you should have a 300 square feet of area, and you can apply for this and you will get a 50% subsidies for installing all kinds of these things. We have given, like, the total cost was 25,000. It was incurred by us, and 25,000 it was given by the government. And at the same time you get 24 uh, monthly visits. Like in a month they come twice and do all kinds of servicing and all. So the idea of this rooftop garden is that in this urban places where you don't have enough spaces to live in, or enough time to do to go for organic vegetables and fruits in the market, so you can do this at your own space on the rooftop. And my personal reason for doing is that for my parents who are getting old, and now they have some kind of meaningful activity every day in the morning, to get indulged in this plantation every day in the morning. And at the same time, I think I have made the correct use of my open roof, which was blank at some point of time. Thank you.